This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Alex Freck. Charming vintage home in downtown High Springs within walking distance to local parks and shopping. This 86-year-old home was originally a Sears kit house and remodeling work has been started, ready for you to finish. Electrical has been redone in all but the 2 bedrooms and plumbing has also been redone. Kitchen has been gutted and half wall taken down to open up the floor plan. Drop ceiling in living space has been removed and a loft added where you could potentially add a 3rd bedroom and 2nd bathroom as there are water and electric access there. Loft supported by locally milled red oak beams. The bathroom remodel has been complete and includes the cast iron claw-foot tub that is original to the home. Lovely large corner lot with just the right amount of trees and open space. Original windows and wood floors. Waiting for you to bring this beauty back to life. For more information, review the details below.